Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how to invite friends on the WhatsApp. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's start. Firstly, open the WhatsApp and you can see three dot on the top right corner, and then click on setting and then scroll down, and here you can see invite a friend. So just click on invite a friend and then select that friend which you want to invite. So after selecting, here you can see invite option, so just click on it. So after this, send message to this contact. So you can see a notification is sending to this contact. So guys, in this way you can invite friends to WhatsApp very easily. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.